Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a sort of film looking look to your videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now, you have an option, which I made a tutorial on previously, in which you can just go to timeline or wherever and add some black bars around it. If you think that enhances the sort of film vibe, you can add that. I forgot exactly where it is, but you can very easily just adjust those and easily add those black bars if you think that increases the cinematic look. But in general, for the footage, what we're going to do, select the footage and go to the color grading screen, and here what we're going to do is first go and create a couple of new nodes, add more corrector nodes, and what we're going to do is edit these one by one. We're going to add the LUT to the third node, and LUTs are just pretty much presets which you can use, and you can go for free into the LUTs folder and go to film looks. These go for free with all Davinci Resolve versions, so you can use them freely, and I'll use this Rec 79 Kodak, which turns it a bit too dark. So let me just grab a lighter one, and let's say, for example, this one. It's not really lighter, but it is what it is. You can increase the light if you want in the color wheels or the gain, but we're not going to do that in the LUT node. We're going to do that in this first node, which is just for primary adjustments. As you can see, you can make it a bit lighter depending on what you want to set. As you can see, you can set up the lift, gamma, gain, and offset. You can set that up to make it look however you want, and you can also increase the contrast if you want your colors to pop a bit more. I'll increase the lift a bit more, but I'll make the gamma pop out more, increase the contrast a bit more, and now we have some sort of film cinematic look. You can also go to the middle one, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna add an effect, which is the color space tool, color space transform tool, and add it to the second node. And now that that's added, you can input the color space of your camera. For example, I'll add this one, or maybe this one, or you can just play around and use whatever fits you best. And then you can input the gamma if you want. You can input the color space. I'll just remove that gamma because that looks very ugly right now. You can add whatever you want, for example, Blackmagic Design 4K Film Gen, and you can do the output gamma as well, and I'll just reverse that because that doesn't look good. And as you can see, that's changing it really nicely, and that is pretty much all I'm gonna do. And as you can see, it looks a bit more cinematic than it did previously. However, you can edit it to your specifications however you want in the color grading screen, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.